If you're thinking about retirement or have already retired this year, you may be planning for your next steps. One of the goals could be selling your home and finding a house that more closely fits your needs now. So, fortunately, you may be in a better position to make a move than you realize. Here's a few things to think about before making that decision. So, consider how long you've been in your home. From 1985 to about 2008, the average length of time homeowners typically stayed in their homes was only about 6 years. But according to the National Association of Realtors, or the NAR, that number is rising today, meaning many homeowners are living in their houses even longer. When you live in a home for a significant period of time, it's natural for you to experience a number of changes in your life while you're still in that house. As those life changes and milestones happen, your needs may change, and if the current home is no longer meeting those needs, you may have better options waiting for you. So number two is consider the equity that you've gained. Additionally, if you've been in your home for more than a few years, you've likely built up a significant amount of equity that can fuel your next move. That's because the longer you've been in your home, the more likely it's grown in value to the home price appreciation. Data from the Federal Housing Finance Agency, or FIFA, illustrates that point. While home price growth varies by state and local area, the national average shows that the typical homeowner who's been in their house for 5 years saw an increase in value by over 50%. That average homeowner who's owned their home for 30 years has seen almost a triple in value over that time. So the other thing to consider is your retirement goals. Whether you're looking to downsize, relocate to a dream destination, or move so that you can live closer to the loved ones, that equity can really help achieve your home ownership goals. The NAR shares that the most recent home sellers, the primary reason to move was to be closer to the loved ones. Plus, retirement played a large role in those moving greater distances. So whatever your home goals are, an agent such as myself, we can help you find that best option. We're going to help you sell your current home, guide you through as you buy the home that's right for you and your lifestyle today. The bottom line is retirement can bring about some major changes in your life, including what you need from your current home as well as your new one. Let's connect to explore those opportunities in our local market.